my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for new videos. We would love to have y'all join a part of our little family, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Today we are a little echoey because we are in the laundry room, or really the lack thereof. We have not done much in our laundry room since we moved in. It's a little messy, it's very unorganized, things are just stacked. It's just not really functional, and we decided that we wanted to change that. So I'm going to bring you guys along today to kind of my little laundry room makeover. So if y'all are interested, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do to start is just go ahead and take everything out. I'll show you guys the stuff that I got and where I got it from as I go, but first we're just going to start with kind of just gutting. I say gutting, we're not going to take like the fixtures out, but just kind of clearing out the room.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky.
So starting off with the things that we got, again, I'm so sorry for the echo. I know it's probably extra echoey now that I took everything out, but the first couple of things here are from TJ Maxx. I got these woven baskets. They have lids, and I love these. The reason I got them is because they have the lids, just because I feel like that makes it look a little more uniform and less messy. So I got this size, a bigger size, and inside this basket is another smaller one. So that's all that I got from TJ Maxx. And from IKEA, I got these cute little glass jars. I was thinking of scent beads for these, but after kind of thinking about how I'm going to arrange things, I'm not quite sure if that's going to work, and I'll tell you why. I'm like more about that in a second. But also from IKEA, I just got a bunch of different greenery, something to kind of add some brightness into this room because it was super dull and boring. And then I got these smaller canisters from IKEA, but these bigger ones are from Target. I'm not sure like which combination of everything that I have, or everything that I'm going to use, but I have options. I also have just some different vases or flower pots, whatever you want to call them, to go with the fake IKEA plants, and I'll set those up after I kind of set the boxes down and see how everything fits and how I'm going to want it to look. And then I got this white Raskog, which is the cart that is from IKEA, and if you watched the beginning, you saw that I pulled another Raskog out of here, and that one just looked so bad to me, in my opinion, because it was the cream color and it was just so off, especially in the sliding. It just looked so yellow, and just, I was not a fan, especially up against the white appliances. It just did not look good. But IKEA recently, they didn't have the white before. They recently came out with like a white, a black, and like a darker blue color. I got it, it was $29.99. We'll definitely use the other one in another space, but I just think this one already makes the room look like, so I don't know what's the word, like more crisp and clean and just put together. Whereas that cream color, I just felt like it just, I just did not like it. I did not like the way that it looked. But I'm gonna go ahead and start bringing some stuff back in here. We did get some stuff for the walls, and I'll show you guys that once I get kind of the other stuff set up so I can decide where I want things on the walls. But for now, I'm about to start bringing some stuff back in and doing a little bit of organizing.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up, and he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that. yeah, he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation.
So I did have to put just a couple of like my spring summer scents in there. I actually think it was just 2. Everything else fit in the, but we can't see it. It's up there. It fit in the other one. But what I'm going to put in this last smallest basket is some of my gifts. So whenever Bath & Body Works has their semi-annual sales, I always pick up a bunch of different sets just to have on hand to give for gifts, or to give if I like forget to buy a gift, or just all those kinds of situations. So I'm going to fit as much of that in here as I can.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night.
Here's one of the pieces that I got to hang on the wall. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It says $13.99, but I probably got it like 40 or 50% off. But I feel like this is gonna look really good, just tilted and leaned into, can't find the spot, into that spot right there. So I'm just gonna set it up there.
Let's sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Here is the next thing that I'm going to hang up. I'm going to try to kind of center it on that wall over there, kind of above the cart. But I got this from Kirkland's. It was on clearance for $16.99, and I think this is going to look really good right there. Ideally, I wanted something that was going to be horizontal to put right there, but I never did find anything that I really like to fit. So this is what we're going to put there for now. And everything that I hang, I use command picture hanging strips to hang. That is so hard to say because we rent. And here's the next picture that I have to hang. This one came from Kirkland's as well, on clearance for $12.99. So just going through, there were a couple things that I didn't mention where they were from. These little wooden chickens my mama actually gave to me. So those are like very, very, very old, like antiques. I'm not sure where you would be able to get them. I don't remember if I said it or not, but that plant pot is from IKEA. And then my laundry basket I got at TJ Maxx. It's like a Rae-Dunn laundry basket. So I think I told you guys where everything else was from. I was just missing those couple of pieces. For my laundry room makeover, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. I am really surprised at the way that this turned out. It's not that I necessarily thought that it was going to turn out bad, but I don't know, I just didn't know it was going to turn out this good. I think everything meshes really well, and I kind of didn't know if the things that I got were going to mesh well or if they were kind of going to look a little off, but I think everything turned out really perfect. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you kind of want to see more of these home decor style videos, definitely let me know down in the comments below. And I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Remedy.